Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I can't dance for you guys this morning because I'm going up a hill, honey child. Do you see that hill behind me? And I have a long way to go. I mean, the hill is long. Longer than your usual little hills. Is there such a thing? Can you hear I'm out of breath? Lord help me. How are you guys doing? Happy Father's Day. Bonne fête de père en français. No, it's Father's Day. Say Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Good job. Say good morning, Faith.
Good day.
And say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. And Wagwan.
Hey. So, in our household, our tradition on Father's Day and on Mother's Day is that the other person wake up and go to the boulangerie to buy French pastries for breakfast. Normally we don't have French pastries on a just a random day, but we love it, so we make it a treat on special days like Mother's Day and Father's Day. So we are heading to the boulangerie right now. That's what bakeries call in French, the boulangerie, to get babe's favorite thing from the boulangerie, which is called pain au chocolat in French, which is translated as chocolate bread in English. And it's also Tyler's favorite. Me and Sarah normally go for the croissants, which is the same thing in English, so I don't have to explain that to you guys, but that's what we're doing. Baby's in bed. He doesn't know that we left the house, so I'm gonna see if there's anything else at the boulangerie that I want to get, but when I get there I'll figure that out. We have a few little things planned for the day. However, today's plans has been cancelled. Good job. We had a huge day planned for Father's Day. We were supposed to go away today, but circumstances makes that plan have to, I wouldn't say cancel, but postponed until another month or two, until some other month. I was a bit disappointed, but then when we look at the flip side of things, we say, you know what, maybe it's Almighty protecting us from something, or protecting whoever we were supposed to go with from something. So let's not be too disappointed, but just work with whatever the opportunity arises. So our big plan that we had for today not gonna work out. I won't tell you guys what it was, because it's going to happen again in the near future. It's just that for this Father's Day it won't happen again. So we didn't have a plan B, but yesterday when we found out that we had to cancel, we came up with a plan B. So that's what today is going to be. So you guys have to watch and see what else we're gonna do throughout the rest of today. So subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up with us. Comment down below if you're a papa, so I can show you some extra love by comment. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam, and Happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there.
We left our rights behind.
Yes, I know. See her there. Let's not be stereotyped when it comes on to dads. We have some really amazing fathers in this world, especially my husband. I have to give him all the props. When it comes on to babe and Father's Day, I don't just show him the love on Father's Day, you know. I make sure I do that throughout the year because he's a gem. He's everything that you could ever want in a husband and in a father. Baby is the kind of father that I don't have to complain around the house. I don't have to worry about he's not helping, he's not carrying out his duties as a father, he's not doing what he's supposed to do. Didn't have to, and I don't think I ever will. Remember, nobody is perfect. Of course, at some point I have to remind him that, hey, you need to do this and you need to do that. But naturally, I really don't have to complain. Yes, Sarah? Pick you up? No, you're gonna walk, okay? Look at this hill. And this girl want me to pick her up? Oh, hell no. Girl, you gonna walk. You're strong. You can do it, okay? We're almost finished with the hill. Alright? Okay?
Okay.
Anyway, you guys. After the pull laundry we go. In my tired self. Look at that. And we're coming from the bottom of this hill. But we're almost at the top. Boulangerie. Tarte au citron. I think Papa like the tarte au citron.
Yes, framboise.
J'ai vu 3 pains au chocolat, 3 fruits. Et un croissant. Et une tarte au citron. Et un macaron. J'ai vu un baguette aussi, s'il vous plaît. Back and set up the table. I'm gonna wake up babe now. So I did hot chocolate and orange roast. Those are babe's favorite combination. I warmed some crepe up, and that's gonna go with Nutella. And I have French pastries, pain au chocolat, and croissant, strawberries, and grapes. And yeah, breakfast is ready. Go. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
All right, wake up, wake up, wake up. Da, 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 da.
The king is coming through. The king is coming through. Veuillez accueillir votre roi. Veuillez accueillir votre roi,
Papa now have no crown
Ludovic de Lavaux.
Where's Papa crown?
You have a crown.
If he asking if we went out. Yes, we went out. You say you went out? We went out, got back, set up, and you have no idea what's going on. Happy Father's Day, husband. Happy Father's Day, boo boo.
Thank you.
Say Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Papa Day.
Look at babe girl.
I didn't frown to frown.
Look at babe girl. You see what Tyler put on your head?
Wait, I'm gonna make it look more like a crown.
What is this?
Let Tyler explain
The
it.
paper. Oh no.
Explain.
You have to explain Papa what it is. Put down the joint and open the gift. That's okay, Ty. It's gonna fall off. Tyler, come and sit down, please.
Mama.
Read what it says.
Je suis un papa formidable. Adorable, incroyable. C'est vrai.
That's what Mama said. Papa pyjama.
He's not pyjama, Sarah.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you, kids.
Thank you, my son.
Welcome.
Thank you, my daughter.
Alright, it's time to eat. You're
C'est moi
hungry?
le serveur. C'est moi le serveur.
Ok.
Tu veux quoi? Regarde ce qu'il y a sur ma table.
Oh, je veux un pain au chocolat
D'accord. Un pain au chocolat.
avec, avec une crêpe au Nutella. Mais après, d'abord je vais manger le pain au chocolat, après je vais prendre une crêpe.
Oui, après la crêpe.
Et après on va un peu de fruits.
Quel fruit?
Un peu des deux. Tu veux me mettre un peu des deux maintenant ici?
Oui, combien de frais c'est combien?
Ah, comme tu veux, mais pas beaucoup.
D'accord.
Tyler serving Papa.
I'm going to serve everyone. Ça te va?
Merci. This is for me.
Lunchtime. Gift for Papa.
Wow.
Vous avez un colis?
Un colis qui sent bon ou un colis qui sent pas bon?
Un colis qui sent bon.
Un colis qui sent bon.
Come, Sarah. You want some? Come and sit beside Papa.
1, 2, 3.
Mais je vais l'ouvrir.
Tadam.
Colis et deux gâteaux.
Wow.
C'est pour Papa.
Mais c'est pas deux pour moi, hein, c'est pour tout le monde.
Attends.
Wow. Ah, pourquoi il y a de la crème déjà là sur Sarah?
The team is out taking babe to a restaurant for Father's Day. Mama don't have to cook today. We have my cooking every day. It's not Mama Day, it's Papa Day. Mama cook every day, so why Mama have to cook again on Father's Day? No.
I drive you on Mother's Day.
Yes, that's true. You drive me on Mother's Day and on Father's Day. Anyway, you guys, we're on our way right now to head to a restaurant. Thank God we reserved a table, so we won't have to worry about where we'll sit. Yeah, everybody's all dressed and looking cute. Say hello, kiddos.
Wagwan.
Hey, my daughter said wagwan. Anyway, you guys, we're on the road, so we'll catch you guys when we get to the restaurant. We are at a restaurant called Ranch, and it's a Mexican restaurant, so it's time to order a drink. We're gonna do fruit juice for the kids and beer with syrup for babe and your favorite Monaco. Yes? You want juice? Okay, your juice coming, okay? Okay?
Bah oui.
So this is what the setting is looking like. It's like about 5 minutes from the beach. That's the entrance.
Ça c'est le menu enfant. Jusqu'à 10 ans, tu as 13, grenadine, pêche, citron. 13.
Sarah, you want rice or you want fries?
Juice.
Yes, juice coming, but you want rice or you want fries?
Fries.
Fries? Okay.
Juice.
Okay, juice coming.
Oh yeah, ça passe. Which one?
Quesadilla poulet? No?
J'ai les deux, franchement.
Si tu veux.
Let's try.
Ok.
Ça.
Je vous amène la petite quesadilla et les menus enfants en même temps. Voilà.
Merci.
Merci.
Sarah, say hello.
You look nice. Where's your tie tie?
Hey, look at Papa. He's hungry. Starters looking good. Sarah, wait, it's hot?
Egg.
It's hot.
Mama,
Hot.
it's egg.
No, it's not egg. Look, it's a mini plate.
What's the?
Nugget and
Nugget
fries,
plate.
Sarah.
Mama, nugget
Yes,
plate.
Mickey
C'est-à-dire qu'en fait,
plate.
il y a plusieurs.
It's hot, Sarah. It's hot. And the cheese in this is stringy, like pizza cheese. Look at that.
It's good.
So good. So good. Ice cream time. Hi, Ty. Hi, Tyler. Dinner done. And we're on the beach. Listen to the waves. Can you guys see the beach? Let me show you guys the beach. There it is, right there.
Look, it's pink.
It's the beach. You see the beach? Wow, look at the dog. Look at that pretty dog behind you, Ty. Jah bless me, no wicked heart can test me, no matter how they try.
Can't see you properly.
So you can't see me properly and you have on your glasses.
No, I can't see you. Sometimes I believe it's somebody else.
And if I bite his finger now you hear that I'm a wicked, you know that though. Ah, why are you slapping me?
I don't slap you, I just play with you. You like when I slap you normally. So anyway, it's the end of the day. Just hopefully for all the father. I hope you all had an amazing day, and
Because who did?
I had an amazing day, and yeah, we do a wonderful job. Father is a wonderful job.
You do a wonderful job. You're an
Might do,
amazing
but
dad.
Father is wonderful job.
So sometimes I want to conk your forehead, but
That's fine. That's fine. You have the right to do that. Just to think about it, not to do it. So that's alright. So yes. So I hope you all doing well. Thank you for all of the love. Thank you for all of the support and all of the message that I received today. And yeah, you like this video, you give a thumbs up.
We know you like it, so we know you're gonna give it a thumbs up.
You share, you subscribe, you turn on the bell, and you come back tomorrow.
Of course.